Did you know Arkansas hides one of nature's rarest treasures? Smoky quartz so stunning you'll think it's from another planet. Stick around because I'm sharing the best spot to find these beauties. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to Arkansas ROCKHOUND Republic, where adventure meets discovery. Today, we're exploring one of Arkansas's hidden gems, Smoky quartz. These rare crystals are formed deep in the Earth's crust, and Arkansas is one of the few places in the United States where you can dig them up yourself. Here's what you need: a shovel, a sifter, and some gloves. Oh, and don't forget your sense of adventure. The Ouachita Mountains are a prime spot for finding these smoky treasures. Just look at this beauty. Each smoky quartz crystal is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, perfect for collectors or anyone who loves nature's art. If you're ready to uncover Arkansas's best-kept secrets, hit that subscribe button now and join the adventure. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best rock hounding tools and guides. Happy hunting! Thanks for watching Arkansas ROCKHOUND Republic, where every dig is a new adventure. See you in the next video.